connais une route d'émail qui mène au pays de Père.
Hey there, I'm Jennifer Ziliotto. Now that the holidays are fast approaching, I thought today was the perfect day to talk about a few dressier things that I have on the website, but also things that you may already own in your wardrobe that you can throw together to create some looks so that when you're having to get ready for several dressy events over the course of the next few weeks, you don't have to think about it so much. I always find that makes my life a little bit easier, so I thought I would share that with you. So here I am wearing my new favorite dress. I don't know if you've noticed, I've been wearing it a lot. I love the color. I love this monochromatic look paired with a Tanya Love scarf. So pretty, but this kind of color can highlight all of the scarves that you own, like any color. That's what's fun about it, paired with either a gray stocking like I have here and a little black bootie, or you could do Bordeaux, or you could do any color really. It's so much fun and really comfortable and warm, which I love, because you never know how you're gonna feel when you get to, say, somebody's house or a big event hall and it's freezing. That's happened to me several times. Speaking of that, I wanted to show you this. Again, something that I found that I think is so lovely and so warm and really fun, kind of retro feeling. Here, I'll take off the scarf. Looks great over this dress. I've also styled it over the ruche dress on the Holiday Essential photos on the website. You can check that out. Looks fantastic with that. I love it because it's really fun. It's a little bit flirty, a little bit retro, and looks really great. And I feel kind of has a very French feel to it, which of course I love. Also, I wanted to mention the drape of this. Really easy, and the knit is why this drapes so nicely. It's a really, really tight knit, so it just hugs the body in a really nice way. And of course, our favorite, it has pockets. But the best part about this sweater is if you don't want to wear it with the collar, I'm going to show you in black. The collar comes off. It's all buttoned up, really easy to take off, and I think looks great just like this with the little button detail. Super cute and a lot less dressy, obviously, without the fur. And lastly, this is something else that I fell in love with that I thought was so cute and such a fun way to update something in your wardrobe that maybe you're not wearing very often. Like, I paired this with the Ziliotto wool shorts from quite a few seasons ago, and I love the way that looks. It's really fun. But again, this would look great with a skinny black pant or a skinny jean. The nice thing about this little tie blouse is where it hits. It cuts off at a really good spot. And then of course, if you don't want to keep the tie on, it comes off, which is so nice. So there you have it. Check out the website. There's lots of new things, lots of deals to be had. Save the date. I have an invite coming for a really fun event I have coming up, so watch for that. And of course, continue to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Facebook and on Instagram.
Viens, suis-moi, je connais une